Hey guys, welcome. My name is Donnie Somerville. Welcome to the Global FX Trade Club. I'm one of the hosts and one of the leaders here. My role today is just simply walk you through our 10 pips and dip strategy. First thing we're going to do is make sure we go to the hour chart, and we are going to identify, guys, the candle that is going to be crossing above or below our 50 moving average, which is our white line right here. Okay. You always want to be close to what I call the fire, right? You don't want to trade up here. You don't want to trade way below. You want to trade when the candle is very close to the 50 white line. So here's this candle. We've identified that the candle has come down inside of structure and is now getting ready to go up. So first thing we're going to do is simply take a vertical line and mark that candle. We're going to then take a horizontal line and mark exactly where the 50 is. And we're going to show you why that's important. The next thing we're going to do is jump down to the 15-minute chart. Now, what we want to do is simply find that candle, which is right here, and you know because it's identified by where we crossed it at. And guys, you want to make sure, because we're going in a buy, you want to make sure that the candle is above the yellow line that we just drew, and it's also above the white 50. We want it to be closing above the white line as well as the yellow line, and this is the candle that did it. So we would be in on the next candle, which is here. Once you jump into the trade, the first thing I need you to do is take your stop loss, and this would be marked, guys. Let me show you. So let's say you get in and it's marked by this green line here, okay? You're then going to take that green line and you're going to left click and drag it all the way down for what we call 20 pips. And that's because we're going into a buy. If we were going into a sell, remember sell, we're trying to make money going down. You're going to take that green line, left click, and drag your stop loss up. In this case, because we're going in a buy, I don't want to confuse you, we're going to take that entry point, left click, and drag it all the way down, and we would stop at 20 pips, and that would be our stop loss. Okay? As the candles are moving up, as you can see, is moving up, and you can see that we hit 12 pips here, or we hit 19 pips here. Guys, once you hit 10 pips, you can do one or two things. Number one, you can close, right? Or you can take your stop loss, and then let's just say this was the stop loss line, and we'll mark that by a red line. And you can move that stop loss above your entry point to secure the profit, okay? That way, if it starts retracing on you, it'll hit here, and you got all that profit here. Very simple strategy, guys. Wait for it to close above your 50, get in on the next candle, and ride that bad boy to 10 pips. Consistently do that, and within 90 trades, your $100 will turn into $8,000, growing at a 5% daily growth. Guys, thank you for joining, and we will see you on the next trading session. Baby goat,